Today, our cabinet met and discussed about the ordinance, the necessity of ordinance, and we have passed in the cabinet the ordinance, which is now going to govern. The ordinance is intended to stop anything that is going to be totally not in consonance with any type of leveled business. In fact, the property of Maharaja was taken by Act in 1996, Acquisition and Transfer Act in 1996. And it was also questioned. The validity of the act was questioned in the High Court, and the High Court upheld the very purpose and also the capacity, the validity of the law, and now that it is valid law. But it was also again raised in the Supreme Court. Some litigations were filed, but since 1997, there is no stay order against that Transfer and Acquisition Act. And it was made clear that time that the whole property is worth 11 crores, and I understand that the payment was also made 20. Payment is not made. Payment is not made. But however, I will also clarify that again. Let me tell you, when we were to go ahead with the widening of the road, then the litigations again surfaced in Supreme Court
by
the family, the interested parties. And at that point of time, the some suggestion of the Supreme Court was made, which was totally not acceptable to the government. It was running to almost 3,000 crores for just 15 acres, 36 guntas of land.